Hello everyone, this is Ted with OAXRAY, and today we're going to go over how you can make some money selling items from Walmart.com to Amazon.com using OAXRAY. Okay, so first I'm on the Walmart.com website. I already have my OAXRAY extension installed right here. Everything is there. I'm just going to click on it as I go. I'm looking for a toy item, so I'm just going to type in toys. So, guess I'll do shop by age. There's a lot of different ways you can divide this up. Let's go 5 to 7, see what comes up. And on different websites, I like to see if there's a way you can put more items per page. It looks like Walmart just does. Yeah, it looks like they just 40 per page is normal, so I don't think I can change that, but I'm going to try. These are some things you want to get familiar with each website so that you can make sure you do everything the best you can. So anyways, so it looks like 40 per page is the standard. So I'm going to click on the extension, move on over. And the best thing to do is it's going to take a few seconds to run in the background, is just to do a few pages at once. So this is page 2. I'm just scrolling over, click on the extension again, go back to the page I'm on, and just go to the next page. Do this one more time. So now that I've gone through the 3 pages, I am here and I see a few items popping up. Now what I did was right here, you can put in a minimum sales rank in this position, a maximum sales rank. I think I just put in 2.5 million just so that I can give you some examples. And then here you can put in your minimum ROI. Now my goal right now is not to post any items that maybe some of you guys are buying. So I'm just going to pick a random item that looks like it has a little bit of profit, maybe not too much. This is another page that ran, so I have all 4 of my pages that I ran up at the top of the screen. Looks like I have a match there. Another match there, 79%, 40,000 rank. Okay, so once you find, click the extension, and you're going to have some tabs up at the top. You can choose whichever one you want. As you can see, these are all 4 of my tabs. It looks like there's a few items on each one, but we will need to go through and make sure everything is correct. So I click right here, and that's going to bring up the Walmart listing. Looks like they have this one ready for order. 8 months plus or 12 months plus, toddler preschool, $8. And I'm going to go over to Amazon.com, see what it's selling for there. Looks like it is $14.99. Let's see what the buy box on this was. $25.98 is going to be your lowest FBA. Okay, so sales rank looks halfway decent, 36,000. Looks like the sales rank is, I think the lowest selling price on this is 20. Let me see again. I'm only really concerned about the FBA price, to be honest with you. Clicked the wrong place. The lowest FBA is $25.89. So I had to do a quick search. What I recommend before you buy anything is you go to the Seller Central, the FBA revenue calculator, put in the price of the lowest FBA for sale. That would be $25.98 on this one. They do all your calculations for you, and this is going to be the most accurate because some of the times people change information like the weight, or these things will get classified as an oversized item when it's really not, or maybe it really is, and you just want to make sure you have the most up-to-date fees. So if we sell this one FBA, looks like you'll make $14.74, and you can put the cost of the product here, $8, and it's going to tell you what you actually make after. So looks like if we take this item, we can buy it on Walmart for $8, ranks 36,000, and looks like when you sell it for $8, you're going to make $6.74, which is almost not 100%, but like 80% of your money. And I think if you were to actually use some gift cards at a discount or something like that, you can probably get the price down a little bit more. What you want to do before you actually purchase anything is see if you can get any further discounts. So sometimes you want to do a Google search, which is going to say something like Walmart gift cards or discounts or whatever. I like Raise specifically, raise.com. They give you discounted gift cards. So it looks like you can get 1% off if you use one of these discounted gift cards. What I do is I buy them, get digital delivery, keep them on a spreadsheet, and then whenever I need to use them, I use them for whatever website they're available for. Also, we have the Rakuten bar right here. And whenever you're on a website, you can actually get cash back off the site. So it's 1% off of the gift card. So if I used Rakuten on this, I'd get 1% off of whatever I paid, plus I'd get a 1% discount. So we're already up to 2%. Then if you go over to walmart.com, you get cash back of 1 or 2%, depending on which app you're going to use to activate rewards. So this is Honey coming up right now. I have the extension. I also have the Rakuten extension also. They both look like they're going to give me 1%. So over this item looks like I can get 3% off. That increases my margin a little bit. But I also want to make sure I stock up enough on my cart to get the free shipping if I'm going to ship it to myself. Or I can do free pickup from the Walmart if I'm going there anytime soon. So that's how easy it is. You go to the website like walmart.com, run OAXRAY on as many possible pages as possible. You can actually run it pretty quickly. Just go to page 1. It's page 3. Click the extension, and in a few seconds, OAXRAY is going to start spitting out the information, the matches, and then you can kind of go through these manually, see what matches up, see what best suits your business model. This can take some time, so make sure you're able to go through, take the time, look at how many matches you have, and look at what matches your business. Some people are more long-term holders, so they buy something, maybe it's going to has a little higher rank, but the margin's good enough. Some people want quick flip items. Maybe they only make 20, 30% margin, but they're able to make their money really quickly. So this is how you use OAXRAY on walmart.com. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Make some money using OAXRAY.